Today we are going to learn short and long vowel sound. Okay? Long sound and short sound of vowel. What are vowels, baby? Vowels are A, alphabet E, I, O, and U. These are vowels, right? So each vowel has two different sounds, short sound and long sound. Okay, so let's see what are these sounds. Okay, today we are going to learn the short sound and long sound of alphabet E. Short sound means phonetic sound. Long sound means alphabetic sound. So what is the phonetic sound of alphabet E? It is A, right? Okay. What is the long sound of alphabet E? It is, how do we call alphabet E? It is E, right? So long sound is E. Short sound is A. Long sound is E. Short sound is A. Okay? So let's try the example. What is this picture? Picture says, I have just met you and I love you. Okay? So let's take the word met. What is the beginning sound of met? It is Okay. What is the ending sound of met? It is t, right? What is the middle sound of met? It is a, right? So what makes a sound? It is alphabet E. Okay? That is why it is short sound of alphabet E. A, t, met. So short sound is A. Okay. Now let's see long sound. Okay. What are they doing? They are meeting. So let's take the word meet. What is the beginning sound of meet? It is What is the ending sound of meet? It is t, right? Okay. What is the middle sound of meet? Okay, let's try then. E, right? T, meet. So E is the long sound of alphabet E. Look, U has come with alphabet E. Again E. It is called double E. Okay? So this is the alphabetic sound E. Here it is phonic sound. That is A. Met. A. Met. Here it is long E. That is meet. Long E sound is meet. Right? Okay. Let's take another example. What is the color of the bug? It is red. What is the beginning sound? R. What is the ending sound? D. Right? So what is the middle sound? It's A. A is the short sound of alphabet E, right? It is red. Okay, let's check. What is the long sound? What is this pony doing? It's reading the book. So let's take the word read. What is the beginning sound of read? It is R. What is the ending sound of read? It is D. Okay, so what is the middle sound? R, E, D. Read. Again, can you hear? alphabetic sound E. Which alphabet is called E? That is alphabet E. Okay. So how shall I write long E sound? Oh, look, alphabet E has come. But along with alphabet E has also come. So it is read. Okay. When you can hear long E sound, that time either A will come as a friend or alphabet E will come as a friend. Okay. And then only it will make long E sound. Okay.